Hey guys, I'm Ange from the Gratitude Project and this is my beautiful daughter Harper. If you're a parent, then you probably are more than familiar with the pain of nits, and if not, you're the lucky one. Nits can be so annoying to treat, plus there are so many options out there that it gets overwhelming. But today I'm going to talk to you about MooGoo's Head Lice and Egg Destroyer Kit and show you how easy it is to use. If you know me, you know that I wouldn't want to use any insecticides or harsh chemicals, so tea tree has been a natural and effective ingredient used to get rid of nits. However, the smell can be overpowering and it can be a teller if kids go to school smelling like that. This is when MooGoo comes into play, and after 2 years of development, they have launched their Head Lice and Eggs Destroyer Kit. MooGoo's founder has 3 girls with beautiful hair, but an incredible nit magnet. So filling the house with the fumes of tea tree and the sound of crying children saying the shampoo was hurting their scalp became a bi-monthly routine. This is why they developed a unique delivery system for the essential oils that penetrates into the lice effectively. And this means you can use a much smaller amount. Plus, the smell is not overpowering and gives no scalp burning. The pack includes a laser-etched comb that traps in the lice in the prongs and a shower cap. First step is to apply the Nick Off Nits cream directly to dry and detangled hair, sufficient to cover all hair from root to tip. Cover the scalp with the stunning and stylish shower cap. Sit back and relax for 10 minutes before removing the cap and moving on to the next step. After 10 minutes, section the hair using a regular comb, then using the MooGoo Lice Trap comb through each section at least 5 times from the root to the tip. Be sure to wipe the trapped lice and nits off the comb between each pass. Keep doing that until you have combed all hair. Rinse the hair thoroughly, and to finalize, blow dry the hair. The hair dryer is an egg-killing heat ray. The good thing about this product is that you can repeat as often as required, and it is recommended to do it at least once every 5 days for the next 10 days. That's it, quick and easy. Remember to wash hats, hair elastics, hairbrushes, clothes, and bedding. Treating nits isn't anybody's favorite job, but it can be a bonding time. And that's what I love about MooGoo. They create products for themselves and their family, and this product is trying to make it easier for us parents and the kids. Did you have fun, Harper?